This is the Data Population tab. What this tab allows you to do is populate data in your form using a web service. To do this, you click on the Add New Data Population Source, and what iApply presents you with is the ability to name this particular call, which web service you're going to use to populate the data in the form, and these web services are specific to your organization. What you are then able to do is select your request field map. These are the fields that we're going to send to the web service. So these could be things like a user ID, maybe date of birth, employee ID, some kind of identifying information about the thing you're trying to populate. Uh, in there, you can specify whether you are going to map an application value, which is a value from a field in your form, or it could actually be a static value. So it could be some kind of identification code, it could be a value to specify what kind of response data format you want back, or anything like that. You then specify the target field, the field in the web service that you're going to send your value to. And then if it is a application value from in your form, you pick which field in your form you're actually going to send to it. The bottom part of this is the response field map, and it works pretty much identically to the request field map. You add a new mapping, and then you specify whether the response is a content encoded or HTTP response. You can then choose the source field in the response that you want to grab the value of, and then the target field in the form where you want that response to actually map. These data populations will trigger as soon as all source data fields have got a value. So if you were to collect these items, these fields on the first page, when the customer presses next, iApply will realize that all of the source field is available, and it will trigger the data population to run in the background.